Thanks so much, Peter, and I'm happy to be here today. This has been a very exciting build-up to this workshop. Um, we have quite an exciting 4 days ahead. We have parsed it out over 4 days so as not to be online for too long of a day, and you can take it all in and appreciate it. Our key topics are going to address health systems, research opportunities, communication strategies, policies that can address some of the access, perceptions, and behavioral issues. This is the second of 2 workshops. And we're really have a great lineup of speakers to look at a broad number of angles on the issue, the global impact of declining immunization rates, and where access and confidence weigh in, indicators to monitor attitudes around safety and efficacy of vaccines, some of the determinants that hinder and promote vaccine uptake that'll help inform what we should do about it, the role of health systems and the individuals that make up and deliver on the health systems, the role of the media. What are some of the strategies around community engagement and community-based approaches? And what are some of the approaches that can help address and mitigate anxieties about vaccine safety and build confidence and public trust? And then there are the ethics and the effectiveness of legislation. So across all these issues, we're also looking towards identifying some potential priority areas, as well as partnerships and collaboration to address all of these issues. We have a fantastic, not only speakers, but very broad participation. And we really look forward to moving through this. And I'll be happy to come back at the end of the presentations and talk through some of the key points. Thanks again to everyone for joining.